If laziness was a person, it would be the voice that whispers, "Just 5 more minutes." It's that comforting lie we tell ourselves while our goals drift further into the distance. But imagine this, what if this month was the last time you let that voice win? Here's the truth, most people think laziness is a willpower issue. They blame themselves, thinking they just need to try harder. But that's not the real problem. Laziness isn't a personality flaw, it's a system failure. And the good news, systems can be rebuilt. You don't need more motivation. You need a new strategy. This month isn't about grinding until you break. It's about upgrading your operating system. Let's start with step 1, radical awareness. For the next 3 days, track everything. From the moment you wake up until the second you fall asleep, document what you're doing. Be brutally honest. This isn't for shame, it's for clarity. Because your biggest time leaks are probably things you don't even notice. Maybe it's endless scrolling, jumping between apps, watching videos you don't even care about. These patterns are invisible until you put them on paper. Scrolled on social media for 2 hours, write it down, opened YouTube 17 times in a day, note it. When you make your time habits visible, laziness loses its power. Now step 2, smart friction. Your brain always takes the path of least resistance, that's why distractions win. So let's flip the script. Make laziness harder and productivity easier. Delete apps from your home screen. Use blockers like Freedom or Cold Turkey. Set your phone to grayscale. Even charge it across the room. The idea is simple. If it's harder to waste time, you'll do it less. Create friction where it matters most. If distraction is always one tap away, your goals don't stand a chance. Step 3, the 10-minute rule. Most of the time it's not the task that's hard. It's the start. That's where resistance lives. So stop trying to do the whole thing. Commit to just 10 minutes, that's it. 10 minutes of deep, focused action, no pressure to finish, just begin. Because action destroys inertia, and what starts as 10 often turns into 30 or 60. But you'll never get there if you don't start. So forget motivation, create motion. Step 4, immediate rewards. Let's get scientific. Your brain runs on dopamine, and right now, distractions give you more of it than discipline does. That needs to change. So build a feedback loop that rewards effort, create a streak tracker, check off daily goals, set mini milestones. After a deep work session, give yourself a meaningful reward. It could be a walk, a playlist, a favorite snack. Train your brain to crave effort, not escape. This isn't just psychology, it's chemistry, and you control it. Step 5. Design your battlefield. Environment is everything. Your surroundings either push you forward or pull you back. So take control. Clean your space. Remove clutter. Organize your tools. Add reminders of your mission, sticky notes, quotes, a vision board. Let your space whisper, "This is where we level up." And remove things that invite distraction. Laziness grows in chaos. Discipline thrives in clarity. Step 6, eliminate maybe. Nothing kills progress like vague intentions. "I'll do it later" is where discipline dies. So replace maybe with math. Be specific. Schedule your tasks like flights, exact times, no rescheduling, no negotiation. If it's not in your calendar, it doesn't happen. This is how you become consistent. Not through force, but through structure. Discipline isn't about being a robot. It's about knowing what to do, when to do it, and doing it. And now the final truth. This isn't about becoming superhuman, it's not about waking up at 4 a.m. doing 100 push-ups and meditating for an hour. It's about becoming consistent, about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. For 30 days, no excuses, no maybes, just action. So here's the challenge. Track your time, add smart friction, use the 10-minute rule, reward yourself for effort, design your environment, eliminate maybe. 1 month of this and laziness won't recognize you. Comment below. This is my month. Subscribe if you're locking in. Let's make this real.